Hello friends, welcome to this video. Till now, we have studied the volume of cuboid, cube and cylinder. Today, we will study the relation between volume and capacity in this video.
What are you still doing at home? I've been waiting for you in the playground since so long.
Thomas, mother has gone to the market and has asked me to stay at home till this tank gets filled. I've been waiting since so long, but this tank is still not filled. I do not know how much time it will take to fill it.
We can easily find this through mathematics.
That means it's math time!
Look, this tank is a cuboid and its dimensions, length 2 meters, width 1 meter and height 0.5 meters are written below here. Can you tell me what the volume of this cuboid tank will be?
Friends, can you find the volume of this cuboid tank? Try it yourself by stopping the video and then match your answer.
On solving in this way, we can see that the volume of the cuboid tank is 1 cubic meter.
Absolutely right. And do you know that the quantity of any substance that we can fill in a given vessel is called the vessel's capacity?
But Thomas, the space occupied by the tank is the volume of the tank. And because the thickness of the tank is negligible, the space occupied by the water inside the tank or the capacity of the tank is equal to the space occupied by the tank or the volume of the tank. Thus, the amount of water you can fill in the tank is equal to its volume. So, can we say that the capacity of the tank is 1 meter cube?
Manas, what you are saying is somewhat correct, that the volume of this tank is equal to its capacity. But we express capacity in milliliters, liters, etc.
Oh, now I understood. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. Therefore, the capacity of this tank will be 1000 liters.
Manas, the pipe used to fill water in the tank has water flowing at the rate of 50 liters per minute through it. Then, how many minutes will it take to fill the tank completely?
The capacity of the tank is 1000 liters and a pipe filling water at the rate of 50 liters per minute. This means that the pipe will take 1000 divided by 50 or 200 minutes to fill the tank completely.
And Manas, the tank is half full. This means that pipe will take half of 200 or 100 minutes to fill it. Let us go back to our world. We will play a game in your house itself.
In this video, today we studied the relation of volume and capacity. In the next video, we will see some interesting examples based on this. Friends, welcome to this video. In the previous video, we studied about volume and capacity. Today, in this video, We will see interesting examples based on this.
Look, Thomas. Nowadays, these chips are being sold in these cylinder-shaped boxes. These boxes look so big, but upon opening them, you see that they are fooling customers.
Why so?
Because when you look at the box from outside, the base of the box appears here. However, if you look inside the box, the base appears at this height.
This means the volume and capacity of this box are different.
How is that?
Let me explain this to you through mathematics. It's math time! Come on, Manas. Let us first find the volume of this cylindrical box. The radius of the box is 4 centimeters and the height of the box is 14 centimeters. Therefore, on solving in this way, we can see that the volume of the cylindrical box is 704 cubic centimeters. And look, Manas, to find the capacity of the cylindrical box, we have to measure the height of the box only to the level of the inner base. Because in the box we will be able to fill any substance only up to that level. Now can you find the capacity of the box and tell me?
The radius of the base of the cylindrical box for the inner and outer base is exactly the same, 4 centimeters. But its height up to the inner base is 10.5 centimeters. Now, on solving in this way, we can see that the capacity of the box is 528 cubic centimeters. And as you know, Thomas, that 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 milliliter. In this way, the capacity of the box is 528 milliliters.
Look, Manas, the volume and capacity of the same box can be different.
You were right, Thomas. This is sheer loot. Come, let us return to our world now.
With this example, we have seen how our daily life problems based on volume and capacity can be solved.